And here today at Wanstead Test Centre, Gheorghe has passed his driving test. And then tell them about your whole experience.
Well, I thought that failed.
Mm-hmm. Fair enough.
Fair enough, you know.
But you passed.
But I passed.
Uh-huh.
This guy, whatever he's gonna teach you, just listen to it. He's a tough guy. He's teaching you the right things, the right stuff. I've been through some wrong instructors, unfortunately, and just in few lessons I've been able to and managed to correct it myself and passed. After 1.5 years, I passed.
Passed. How many mines did you get?
I don't know.
You don't know. You were first on your.
I'm gonna see it in email.
In your email, yeah. Fair enough. And how did you find me? Where did you find me from?
YouTube.
YouTube is
Marshals
fantastic.
tips.
Marshals
Just
tips.
go on
There
it.
you are. Go on it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Well done, man. Congratulations.
Good.
Good day, man. Good.